How to add post grid to Elementor. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to do that completely for free. So let's just go ahead and get started. First I'm going to install a plugin which is going to make it so that we can add a post grid for free. So we want to go to our WordPress admin, go to plugins and click on add plugin. From here we simply just want to go to the search and search up the post grid. Once we search that up, it's going to be this one by Radius Theme. So just go and click on install and you can see that it's going to work with Elementor. So click on install. Once it's done, just go and click on activate, which is going to take you here. Here you can feel free to go through these settings. I'm not really going to showcase this at this point. These are all optional and it's going to be, depending on your site and preference. Anyways, we want to just go to the pages or post and use Elementor. So I'm just going to go to all pages. I'm just going to use this about page and I'm just going to click on edit with Elementor. So once we open up the edit with Elementor, we can see the first thing here within the elements section is that we have the post grid. So in here, we are just going to pick the first one, which is the grid, but you have also different options. So I'm just going to select the grid layout and drag and drop it to the bottom. Right away, you're going to be met with all the different posts that you have. I only have these 3. And from here, we have a lot of different options that we can play around with. For example, the layout. Now for me, because I have 3 posts, it doesn't really look nice this way. So I'm just going to go for layout 3. Mind you, some layouts are actually pro. So you need to actually subscribe to pro in order to have them. And then you also have more options here within the same section, within the content section. Next up, we also have these settings, which is going to be more about what you actually want to show and what you want to hide. For example, whether you want to hide the thumbnail, the title, the date of, when you actually posted it and so on. And you also have more things like the section title. You can feel free to adjust it further and further. You have a lot of settings to go through here. So you can just feel free to take your time through it. Play around with it, see how it's going to really fit your style and site. Even when it comes to the style options and the colors and stuff, it's all going to be in here. So this is pretty much how to add the post grid on your WordPress and Elementor for free. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel and thank you for watching.